Hey there, little artists! Today, get ready to dive into the world of 3D as we create an amazing house together. Are you excited? Let's grab our markers and make some magic happen. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, my artistic friends, grab your trusty black marker and let's start building our 3D house. First up, let's draw the roof of our house. A nice, slanted triangle to give our house that cozy feel. Now, let's add the walls underneath the roof. Connect those lines and watch our house take shape. Every house needs a door, right? Let's draw a rectangle for our friendly entrance. Time to add a little nature. Draw a small bush in front of our house. Nature makes everything better. Windows let the sunshine in. Let's draw a rectangle for our window. Imagine the view from inside. What's a house without a chimney? Let's draw a rectangle on the roof for our cozy chimney. Now, let's add some greenery. Draw a tree behind the house, reaching for the sky.
Awesome!
Oh, look! A friendly crow is joining us. It's going to make our drawing even more special. Before we move on to coloring, let's make our outline bold and sharp with our trusty black marker. This will make our drawing stand out even more. And now, my little Picassos, let's add some vibrant colors to our masterpiece.
Cool!
Blue color. Orange color. Pink color. Orange color. Deep blue color. Purple color. Sky blue color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Orange color. Brown color. Pink color. Green color. Fantastic job, little artist! Wow! Your 3D house is now a burst of colors and creativity. If you had a blast, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next artistic adventure. Until next time, keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep making the world more colorful with your art. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.